Okay, this function sin x, it repeats itself after every 2 pi units. So for example, sin 0, sin 2 pi, sin 4 pi, they are all same. Similarly, sin pi by 2, sin pi by 2 plus 2 pi, sin 5 pi by 2 plus 2 pi, whatever. Whichever point you take, if you add 2 pi units, you will still get the same value, right? So essentially, this function is
Yes.
repeating after every 2 pi units. Okay, ma? So what does that mean?
Yes.
When the function is repeating, sin x equals to sin x plus 2 pi, right? So then we say this period, because it is repeating after every 2 pi units, we say the period of sin x is 2 pi. Okay. Similarly, cos x also, this also repeats after every 2 pi units, right? Here also this is 2 pi. But tan x, it repeats itself after every pi units. Okay, whatever tan 0 equals to tan pi, whatever. This one, the distance between this point and this point is again pi. This point and this point is again pi. This point and this point is again pi. Okay. Sin x, cos x, they are repeating in 2 pi units. Tan x is repeating in pi units. Okay. Similarly, cot x also will repeat in pi units. From here to here, it is pi. Okay. Secant and cosecant, they repeat in 2 pi units. Okay, ma? Secant and cosecant, they repeat in 2 pi units. From here to here, it is 2 pi. Okay. From here to here, it is
Yes.
2 pi. Okay. Similarly, cosecant also. From here to here. Okay. Or from here to here,
Yes.
it is 2 pi units. Okay. Basically, sine cosecant 2 pi, cos secant 2 pi, and tan cot pi units. Okay. That is one part of the story. Another important part of the story is these periods, right? Okay. So when we look at transformation of the graphs, okay, if you add something, so for example, there is something this is sin x graph. Okay, this is sin x graph. If you do sin x plus some constant, okay, so let's say some 4, what will happen? This entire graph will shift 4 units upwards like this. Okay.
Yes.
If
Yes.
you add some constant, let's say if you add 1, then this entire graph will shift 1 unit upwards because everywhere you are adding this 4. Okay, what does that mean? But it will still repeat itself, right? So adding a constant doesn't change the period, right? It will still repeat itself after every 2 pi units. Agreed? Agreed, ma?
Yes.
Okay, similarly, sin x, what? Instead of sin x, if we make it sin x minus pi by 2. Okay, what does that mean? This graph will shift pi by 2 units towards right. Okay. So this graph will just shift pi by 2 units towards right. Okay. It will just shift. This one will
Yes.
do pi by 2 unit shift. What does that mean? If a graph is like this and if it shifted like this, then still the time between the points, that period will still remain constant, right? Because you are not stretching or compressing or anything, right? Agreed.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so basically, what does that mean? If there is some f of x, okay, and if the period of f of x equals to f of x plus some constant, okay, because adding a constant will just shift the graph
Yes.
upwards, it doesn't matter. Will shift upwards. If you subtract something, it will shift downwards, it doesn't matter. Similarly, f of x minus a plus c. Okay, so if you replace x with some x minus a or x plus a, what does that mean? The graph will get shifted right or left. Okay, but still, but
Yes.
still, that the distance between 2 points, the places where it is repeating will still remain the same. Okay, ma? So that doesn't change. Okay,
Yes.
that is one important thing. So that's what he is mentioning here. See, um, this one.
Hello, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.